Want AI images from ChatGPT? Here's how in 60 seconds. Open ChatGPT and select a model that supports image generation. Write a clear prompt describing the subject, style, and mood. Specify camera details and aspect ratio, for example 35mm, 16 by 9. Add constraints such as no text, high detail, or a color palette. Send the prompt and wait for ChatGPT to generate image options. Review the generated thumbnails and open the variation you prefer. Ask for edits, change lighting, background, color grading, or pose. Try this example prompt: golden hour portrait, cinematic, 35mm, 16:9, high detail. If results miss the mark, simplify or broaden your prompt and try again. Key tips: be specific, reference an artist or style, and iterate quickly. Export the final image and check licensing. That's how to generate AI images in ChatGPT.